Thank you. We thank the Honourable Prime Minister for his words and reiterating the messages that have been all too common lately. Ministry of Health has worked very hard to ensure the public know how they can protect themselves and others. As mentioned, social distancing, keeping at least 1 to 2 meters away from people, coughing into, if you need to cough or sneeze, coughing into a tissue, throwing that away immediately and washing your hands. Coughing into the crook of your elbow if you don't have a tissue, washing your hands frequently with soap and water. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about our latest patient, our latest confirmed case. So as you know, this is a close contact of our first confirmed case, a household member. This is a 1 year, 2 month old baby. He was well until Saturday when he developed a fever. So he was in isolation with the rest of the members of the family. As you remember, on the day that the first case was confirmed, on Thursday, the entire family of 11 was isolated immediately by the Ministry of Health team at Nandi Hospital. So of course, this baby developed symptoms on Saturday while he was admitted in Nandi Hospital. So far he's had a fever, he's in stable condition, and his test result came back today as positive. So we've been monitoring the family very closely. Out of the 11 that are currently isolated at Nandi Hospital, we've tested 6. And so these 6 out of the 11 family members had developed some sort of symptoms. As you know, of course, the mother of the first case tested positive, and now this little baby. So we will continue to keep this family under isolation and observation and test as needed. In terms of testing, we've also tested 6 other contacts of the first case. They've all come out as negative. And we continue to monitor the close contacts of this case. As the Honourable Prime Minister has mentioned, we are seeking your help in contacting flight passengers. There are 82 of them that we have not been able to make contact with. We consider the passengers on the flight to be much lower risk than the direct family members, but because we are exercising an abundance of caution, we need to contact every single one of the passengers on board that plane, which is why we're taking the unprecedented step of actually publishing the names of these 82 passengers, seeking your help, the public, as well as these passengers themselves, to make contact as soon as possible on the number that's provided. We thank you. The Honourable Minister of Health will now also address you. Thank you.